basically that's it. Now, after the release, OA ng ibang mga reaction. Kasi first of all, may nagsabi daw na kino-commodify daw natin ang nostalgia ng Shaggy Day. First of all, most of the Blooms didn't even know that it was a game back in the day. I thought when they released the title, kala ko it's just a made-up word, onomatopoeia, ganito, ganyan. Pero hindi pala. It's actually a game. So, paano kino-commodify ng Bini ang game when we didn't even feel nostalgia of it. So, yun nakita ko. First, second of all, sabi daw nila, we know whitewash. This is the most ridiculous. Hindi ko alam bakit hindi to yung pinakaunang na sinabi ko. We know whitewash daw ng Bini ang larong Pinoy. First of all, how can Bini whitewash a Filipino game when first of all they themselves are Filipinos, second of all they're just singing in English? Like paano we know whitewash nila? Third of all, sinasabi nila pang Zumba daw. Now, I am looking for the part sa yung insulto kasi I myself as a Zumba I don't know, connoisseur, like nagzumba kami when we're working, yung mga Monday namin na parang flag ceremony, after everything nagzumba kami. Tapos nagzumba kami initially kasi I like Zumba. Zumba like it promotes wellness and actually it promotes community. Do not, and I mean do not fuck up with the Zumba moms and dads kasi nakita nyo ba yung may nag-away ng mga dalawang grupo nagzuzumba? Zumba is actually very serious for us. At the end of the day, masasabi sa sarili ko, it's a 2-minute song at most. Bakit kayo sobrang napaka, like parang yung reaction nila parang, I don't know, like something like that. Wah, 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 wah. Which makes me think na grabe. Grabe yung mga reaction. Talagang nasa Bini ang cloud. Kasi ang daming essay sa Twitter. Ang daming essay sa Reddit. And masasabi ko lang sa sarili ko is, if you are so mad at it, why are you interacting with it? Bakit nyo binibigyan ng engagement yung Bini? So eto, natatawa lang ako kasi it's a 2-minute song about a Filipino game that they made so that they can dance to it. Basically, it's just a silly song for their world tour, like para may masaya lang sila. And everyone feels like Beanie basically their dogs. Like this reaction is so fun kasi in the end they are so relevant that you are so um angry to a song that you apparently hate. That doesn't mean that you can't hate it or dislike a song. But if I dislike a song, I usually skip it. I usually do. I usually really